Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hello guys and welcome back to this amazing channel. This is Abhinav and today we are back with our next problem of the day. So the problem is reverse a linked list in group or of sizes given size. So we already know how to reverse a linked list. The only thing is there is a defined size on the basis of it we have to reverse it. Okay. So let's quickly start a problem. Before that, as you guys know that Geeks-O-Lympics going on, so do participate and win exciting prizes. Let's start today's video. Let me share the screen. Am I clearly audible and visible? And is the screen also visible, guys? Please let me know so that we can start. Okay, cool. So great, guys. Let's discuss the problem now. So the problem today they are saying is reverse a linked list in group of size given size. Okay, so there's a size k given to you. So the problem is really like straightforward. The problem says that we have simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and let's say null. Okay, and we have a size, let's say k is equal to 3. So means we have to reverse the every k sub-array of this linked list. So let's say this part first, then this part, then the remaining part. We have to reverse it. So it will become 3, 2, 1, then 6, 5, 4, then 8, 7, and then null. Okay, this is the part. So first of all, guys, we will understand how we can reverse a linked list. That's the first part. Okay, we will understand that. And because we have to reverse it in the interval of 3, this is also that we will see. Okay, so first let's say it is 1, 2, 3, and then null. So I'm first taking this linked list, a small linked list, for just to explain how we can reverse a linked list. So for this, let's say this is the head. Okay, so we will take a current here. We'll take a current pointer at the head of the linked list. This is the head also, and this is the current also. Okay, now what we will do is we will also have two more pointers. One will be a previous pointer and one will be a next pointer. These are two more pointers that we have, a previous one and a next one. Okay, now to reverse a linked list, we have a very simple four-step phenomena that while our current is not equal to null, what we will do is, first of all, what we will do is we will take our next is equal to current dot next. So means our next will be equal to current dot next. So means if current is at 1, our next will come at 2. The first thing. Secondly, what I will do, so currently our previous is null. Okay, what we will do current dot next is equal to previous. So basically reversing what we are doing, we are not reversing the linked list, we are just reversing the pointers of the linked list. So this next pointer is now reverse and will now point towards previous, which is null. Now simple, we will make our previous is equal to current and current is equal to next. So this is what we are doing. This is simply basically what we are doing is we are just moving all the pointers one ahead. So current will come here and the previous will come here. Now similarly, again the same thing will happen. The same thing. Next is equal to current dot next. Now current dot next is equal to previous. So this will equal to previous. Okay. And then again, every will move forward. So previous will come here and current will go there. Current will go here. Previous will come here. Again, do the same thing. First, next is equal to current next. Means next will come here. uh, it will go back, and they all will come forward. So you can see then when next is going at null, means if next is null, that means your iteration is done. You have reversed the complete linked list if next becomes null. And for this new linked list, this previous is its head. From this previous, it is starting. Is this thing clear? The first point, is it clear, everyone? Now we will do the same thing, the same operation, but just for KK groups. So what I will do is, I will take here, uh, node, okay, node previous is equal to null. I'm not sure how the null is specified in, okay, it's like this. And node next is equal to null, and a node current which is equal to head. Okay, maybe. So I mostly prefer Java code for this because it's, I think it's better to implement Java code. By the way, both the codes are same. Okay, so I will write a Java one. I don't know, like in Java, for Java link for linked list, Java is better, and for other C is better. By the way, I can write both the codes if you want. Yeah, exactly, Rishi. That is why I will use this. This is better. Okay, for Java people, let's say I'm doing tomorrow. I hope everyone is comfortable with this. Okay, is everyone comfortable with this? Also, guys, this time we will also have a count. Why count? Because for count, what we are having is, for count, we, because we need to just reverse k, okay, group of k. So we have a count also, that current should also be not equal to head, okay, not equal to head, oh sorry, not equal to null, and c should also be less than k, because we just want to make k, if it is equal to k means break. Now we'll simply copy these four steps that are written, simply write these four steps. Next is equal to current dot next, current dot next is equal to previous, previous is equal to current, and current is equal to next. That this is the basic thing. Okay, now guys, we have to reverse it in order. So see, let's say this first part is reversed. Okay, this, let's say that first we have reversed this part, fine. So this part is nothing but 1 3 2 1. Now what we will do is, now we will call this function recursively for the remaining array. So when, you know, when we swap this part, our next is at the last. So basically our next will be here and our previous will be here. So starting from this next, for the previous, for the remaining linked list, we will call the same function recursively. For the remaining linked list, we will call the same function recursively. Okay, and that too if the linked list is remaining. Okay, so what we will do is, if next is not equal to null, means if this next, so go, when the whole linked list is done, next will become equal to null. Okay, so first of all we will check that next should not be equal to null. So means if next is not equal to null, next is not equal to null, then what we will do is, then we will make our head dot next means the part, so because this is our head, when it is reversed, this is our head and this is our, so this next becomes remaining part, and we'll reverse that also. So now this same reverse function is used for the remaining linked list, remaining means from where, remaining is from here, from this part where this next is, starting from next, the remaining linked list. And else, if it is done, simply return the head of the reverse linked list, and the head of the reverse linked list is previous only. As I told you, it's previous. Also, one more point, that if head is initially equal to null, if there's nothing, simply return null. That's a corner case. Okay, that's the point. Cool. guys, you can see the time and space complex is simply order of n. There is no space complexity, and time complexity is simply order of n. Oh, we are not increasing C. We are not doing C++. Okay. That is why it is reversing the whole array. Now it will be now it's done. So guys, this is the code. I will share this code with you guys. No worries. So it is submitted with order of n and order of 1 complexity analysis. Okay. So that's all for this particular video, guys. I hope that you have got this particular problem. It's a really good problem. Okay. So that's all for today. Fine. Let's meet again tomorrow, next time. Time is order of n. We are simply having a reverse now. It's going. So it's order of n only. It will first reverse this part. Okay, it will first reverse this part, then this part, and this part. So it's that only. Okay. Yeah, sure, Risit. So क्या होगा सबसे पहले? So let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then null. So first of all, what will happen is this is head. Okay, it will first reverse this particular part of the array. Just 2 nodes. Okay, using this particular, using this. Okay. Using this, I already told you how this function can be used, to reverse that part. So first, for the first k node, it will reverse. Okay, so this will become 2, 1, or like this basically. 2, 1. Okay, like this. It will be reversed. This part will be reversed. Right. Now this is our head. So head will be as it is. Head will be as it is 1 only, but only this part will be reversed. Now from this head, we will connect the remaining linked list, but not directly remaining linked list. We will pass this remaining linked list also in the reverse function. And then that linked list will also be reversed and will be connected with this head. And whenever the next will become null, we will simply return it. So if we will try and if we will check it, it will be look like this. Okay. So that's guys about the problem that we have solved. I hope that you have got it. Okay. Let's meet again tomorrow with the next problem today. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Great. Okay. Great, guys. Thank you. Happy good day. Take care. GFG कर लो हो जाएगा.